Iron Will Shawaz, the 18-wheeler, devoured I-80's desolate asphalt deep in Wyoming. Past 2 a.m., headlights cut tunnels through a white void. Wind howled, rattling the cab. Frank, his face weathered by countless highways, gripped the wheel, eyes narrowed against the blizzard. Thermos empty, patience thin, he'd pushed for hours through whiteout conditions, eyelids heavy, the engine's hum a hypnotic drone. 50 more miles to a truck stop, stale coffee, a few winks. He was beat. Through swirling snow, he saw it. A dark shape, half buried on the shoulder. An abandoned car, hazard lights blinking weakly. Frank grumbled, "City slickers." He almost drove past, instinct urging him. But humanity, honed by years of seeing folks down on their luck, made him slow the behemoth. He feathered the air brakes. Iron Will groaned, nudging onto the shoulder 100 yards ahead of the derelict sedan. Wind nearly ripped the door from his hand. The cold bit hard. "Hello?" he yelled, his voice swallowed by the gale. Stomping through snow, his breath plumed. The rental sedan's door was ajar, no one visible. He peered inside, expecting an empty wreck. Instead, a jolt of ice, curled on the passenger seat, hidden beneath a blanket, was a small figure. A child. A little girl, no older than 5, shivering violently, eyes wide with terror, staring up like a trapped animal. His heart hammered. Panic, cold and sharp, clawed at him. How long? Where were her parents? The blizzard worsened, temperature plummeting. He had to get her warm. The car engine was stone cold. He couldn't leave her. His mind raced. Not a hero, but this was a gut check. He knew what to do. Reaching in, his big hand gentle, he touched her arm. She flinched but didn't cry. "Hey there, little one," he said softly. "You're safe. Let's get you warm." He scooped her up, blanket and all, her tiny weight a shocking contrast. He held her tight, shielding her from the savage wind, fighting back to the cab. Inside, he cranked the heat, the engine's roar now comforting. He stripped his thermal jacket, wrapping it around the silent, shivering child. He called dispatch on the CB, voice tight with urgency. "Situation I-80, mile 312, westbound, found a kid, alone, in a broken-down car. Need help now." Outside, a maelstrom. Inside, a fragile warmth, a flicker of hope. He looked at her, breathing a shaky sigh. "We'll be all right, kiddo," he murmured. The wait was agonizing. Help came. Troopers. A plow. Frank watched the silent girl, wrapped in a medic's blanket, whisked to safety. He never learned her name or parents' fate, only that she was okay. He felt profound weariness, yet a quiet peace. Her tiny, terrified face, lit by headlights, etched forever in his memory. A stark reminder of fate's fragile line. He returned to Plage Iron Will, Paul, pulled onto the highway, and continued his solitary journey. The storm still raged, but the world felt different, a weight now slightly lighter.